The following presentation will discuss an overview of the Comprehensive School Counseling Program at Central South Elementary School. Central South Elementary School is located in South Belmont, North Carolina, within the Guilford County Public School System. The school operates on a traditional track calendar which serves pre-kindergarten through 5th grade students. Central South Elementary School is a school-wide Title I program school. Classrooms are organized according to the state guideline. Students have ELA, math, and Spanish classes every day. Their schedule includes specials like music, art, and drama classes 3 days a week. Our students take end of grade examinations at the end of the year, the last 2 weeks of June. Our mission statement. Our mission at South Central Elementary School is to provide skills to prepare children for life through experiential learning that addresses the needs of the whole child. We strive to create a safe and secure school environment that promotes social and academic growth. Our vision statement. To create a learning organization that educates, inspires, and transforms students, families, and communities. Here is a breakdown of South Central demographics. We serve grades pre-K through 5th. We have a total of 466 students enrolled. Our faculty includes 1 principal, 1 assistant principal, 26 full-time teachers, 4 professional school counselors, 1 school social worker, and 1 school nurse. We also have a special education department, including 4 special education teachers, 4 special education teachers assistants, and 1 special education coordinator. Our student-to-teacher ratio is currently 15:5, and our student-to-counselor ratio is 116:5. Here we have a diagram of our student population breakdown by ethnicity and gender. Local and community culture. Central South Elementary School is located in South Belmont, NC, within the Guilford County area. We serve a minority community that is predominantly African American. The crime rate for Guilford County is very high. In Belmont, violent crime is above the national average. The residents, for the most part, are low income, with 100% of our students receiving free or reduced lunch meals under the federal school lunch program. Parental involvement. Parents and community members have many opportunities to be involved and participate in the decision-making process through regularly scheduled meetings. There are additional opportunities for parental involvement through the school volunteer program, parent education workshops that include math and literacy strategies, citizenship classes, and nutrition classes. Many of our parents are single parents who struggle more than our dual parent families and lack resources like time and money, which makes it hard for them to attend many school functions and programs. Our only requirement for our parents is to attend 2 formal parent-teacher conferences where they receive face-to-face progress reports from the teacher and have the opportunity to discuss the student's progress. Parents are encouraged to request conferences at any time they see the need and to make unannounced visitations to their child's classroom. The students at South Central Elementary School are working hard daily to become successful. Many of our students demonstrate positive attitudes about education, although they have so many negative factors in their path to academic achievement. Many of our students are suffering from homelessness, living in bad communities, and/or living in poverty that plays a major role in their academics and school environment experience. Disadvantaged students at this school may be falling behind other students, and this school may have significant achievement gaps. We have several behavior issues, including bullying. Our school counselor and staff are working hard by implementing a discipline program in order to improve student behavior and bullying. We hope with this new program in place, it will bring change within our building. Staff climate. We place a special focus on hiring staff members with backgrounds similar to the students we serve. We believe that their perspectives are crucial to student growth and achievement and instrumental in fulfilling our vision and mission. Teachers and administrators spend time identifying essential academic standards all agree must be learned by students, hence making necessary adjustments on their district curriculum grades if necessary. At-risk population. At Central South Elementary School, our primary focus is our at-risk population. At-risk conditions include both environmental and community characteristics such as crime in the community and limited employment opportunities for parents, students living in poverty, and low educational attainment. We have many students that are considered at risk because of their lack of attending school, arriving late to class, not paying attention to the teacher, and not completing assigned work. Our students are not meeting education-related goals. We're working hard to meet the needs of this population by making changes to classroom instructions and maximizing the use of community resources. Our school counselor is improving and recognizing crisis assistance and prevention programs and working with external mental health and behavioral services in the community. The Central South Counseling Department. The school counseling department at Central South Elementary School consists of 4 professional school counselors. The other student services available in our office are a school nurse and a school social worker. Each counselor is assigned to 2 grade levels until the completion of the school year. Each school counselor supports the developmental and academic needs of our students. We collaborate with school staff, administration, and the parent community to ensure the integration and alignment of the school counseling program with the mission of the school. Meet our professional team. Our pre-K kindergarten counselor, Catherine Gambella, our 1st through 2nd grade counselor, Tamika Gibbons, our 3rd through 4th grade counselor, Marva Murray, our 4th through 5th grade counselor, Laura Dean, our 4th through 5th grade counselor, Joy Davis, our student nurse, Nicola Amaker, and our student social worker, Anna Gillard. The school counseling mission statement. Central South Elementary will provide a supportive and empowering environment to inspire students to achieve their academic, social, and career goals. Through collaboration of the community and stakeholders, students will develop and attain the appropriate skills to be independent and successful members of society. Vision statement. Collaborate, support, empower, succeed. Through collaboration, we can support and empower our students so they will be able to succeed. Belief statement. Collaborate with administrators, teachers, community professionals, parents, and school personnel on achieving the school's mission and vision. To create a welcoming and safe environment for students and their families. Encourage students to create and achieve their individual goals. Provide equitable access to academic and counseling services. Central South's guidance lessons include career exploration, bullying prevention, friendships, feelings and emotions, and anger management. Our emergency plan overview. Central South Elementary recognizes the possibility of the school, community, and students being affected by significant traumatic events. The counseling department, along with the school's administrators, have devised an emergency response plan to implement if a traumatic event were to affect the students and staff. Central South Elementary School has developed a crisis plan for dealing with existing and potential student and school crises. This plan includes intervention procedures, crisis response procedures, and critical incidents procedures. Funding sources. Central South is a Title I elementary school. The Every Student Succeeds Act offers monetary assistance to schools and local education agencies whose population consists of large amounts of low-income families. The counseling department is responsible for applying to various grants throughout the year. The U.S. Department of Education offers different grants that can be applied to student needs. These grants can focus on populations such as preschool children with disabilities or migrant children. They can also provide additional resources to pre-existing school programs or create new problems that will contribute to the school's support services and learning program. Behavioral and emotional issues and 504 plans. Our goal is to create equal opportunity for children with disabilities. Qualified disabilities include autism, blindness, deafness, speech and language impairment, and breathing issues. Accommodations are extra time to complete work, choice of seat, extra break, and easy textbooks. The annual agreement template. The agreement includes the following parts: the school counseling program mission statement, school counseling program goals, use of time, advisory council, planning and results documents, professional development, professional collaboration and responsibilities, budget, materials and supplies, annual budget, caseload, and school counselors' responsibilities, and role and responsibilities of other staff and volunteers. Informational interview. We found that counselors see students based on referrals made by students, parents, and staff, rating scales used to evaluate effectiveness, bibliotherapy is used for individuals and groups, rapport is built with students and parents, crisis plans are in place, and referrals made for counseling beyond training. This was the end of our presentation, and I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you.